First and foremost, remember that setbacks are not failures. They are stepping stones on the path to success. Each obstacle you encounter is an opportunity to learn, grow, and become stronger. It's in these tough times that your character is forged. Let me tell you about a famous inventor, Thomas Edison. He attempted over 1,000 times to create the electric light bulb before he succeeded. When asked about his failures, he said, "I have not failed. I've just found 10,000 ways that won't work." That's the spirit we must embrace. Believe in yourself. Self-doubt is one of the most significant obstacles on the road to success. You are capable of achieving amazing things, but you must first believe in your potential. As Henry Ford said, whether you think you can or you think you can't, you're right. Surround yourself with positivity. The people you spend time with and the information you consume greatly influence your mindset. Seek out mentors, friends, and content that inspire and uplift you. Fill your mind with positive thoughts and affirmations. Set clear goals without a destination in mind. It's easy to lose motivation. Define your goals. Break them down into manageable steps and work toward them consistently. Each small achievement will fuel your determination. Embrace failure as a teacher. Every setback, every no, and every mistake is a valuable lesson. Don't be discouraged by failures. Use them to refine your approach and move closer to your goals. Stay persistent. Winston Churchill once said, "Success is not final. Failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts." Persistence is often the key to success. Keep going, even when it's tough. Visualize your success. Close your eyes and imagine yourself achieving your goals. Feel the emotions of success as if they were real. Visualization can be a powerful motivator. In conclusion, remember that life's journey is filled with ups and downs. It's the challenges that make the victories all the more rewarding. Stay determined, believe in yourself, and keep pushing forward, no matter the obstacles. Your potential is limitless, and your dreams are worth pursuing. Keep going, and you'll achieve greatness.